I've been selling at Radcliffe today, the craft and gift fair. It's the first sort of market I've had for a month and a half because of lockdown and things. So despite the weather, it's been miserable today. We've had quite a few people come and visit the stall, which has been quite good. But I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of my stall whilst I was here and had a break. So here we have the front of the stall. It's a bit of a pared down version today because of the rain. Trying to keep things dry. So I've got one of my baking kits out here. I've got an example of my envelope here, my little price list, and then my recipe book, which has gone a bit curly. It's gone a bit curly in the wet weather. I also make clay versions of all my recipes just here, just so I don't have to keep making fresh versions each week, so people can see what the bakes end up looking like. So yeah, that's my stall. And then because of the wet weather today, all my stock has been in plastic boxes just to try and keep them dry and safe from the rain. Something else that's been really important because it's been really cold, like I've got about 5 layers on, I've got 2 coats, I've got my hats just to try and keep me warm. But we've got a tub and I've got flasks of hot chocolate, hot water bottles, my mask of course, which is ever so important these days. I've got my glove and my umbrella. But another reason for doing this video is just to try and talk to you a little bit about sort of running a small business and prioritising your money. And so today I've had to provide my own gazebo, my own table and chairs and things. You may start to hear the rain right now on the gazebo roof. But a proper gazebo, so some of the other stall holders that you can see around, they've all got proper gazebos, and they can be, one's like £800, and just when you're a small business, you can't really afford to do that. And this is the only market where I've needed a gazebo this year. So I've actually borrowed mine from my local community association. But when we opened the bag to set it up, like one of the parts is missing and things are a bit broken. So it's just the hilarious life of being a small business owner. So hopefully you can sort of see up in the roof here, we've got tent pegs and camouflage duct tape wrapped around the pole. And then this as well, I've not shown you this yet, but this is just hilarious. So one of the poles was broken, and we tried fixing it with duct tape, we tried holding it together with clamps, and then I've actually bought my tarp today just as an extra waterproof layer. So we're using the tarp poles to kind of hold things up, and every time there's a gust of wind we kind of have to hold it down to stop it from blowing away. So here you can see I've laid my tarp over it. I was really worried that this is a summer gazebo, so really it's meant to keep the sunshine, provide shade from the sunshine, and not really waterproof, and I didn't want drips from the ceiling onto all my products, of course. So we've laid the tarp over just to try and protect us from the rain, and it's actually held up quite well. Quite pleased. But anyway, I thought I'd just show you around and show you the life of running a market in December leading up to Christmas. Anyway, thanks for listening, and bye bye.